Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. Woo! I am so happy on this morning to be in the presence of God in my car, and it's Friday and it's the weekend, y'all. Oh, I'm so grateful. Oh, the Lord loves me. It is Friday, and obviously I am on my way to work, but I'm ready to be off work already. I'm ready to be off already. I hope all of you have a great day. I hope y'all have a good Friday, a good work day. Most of y'all not at work because most of y'all don't go in on a Friday, but hopefully you've had a great day or a great start to your morning. But yeah, happy Friday. Time to go to work. What's up, you guys? It's the next day, and I am about to go to the nail shop and go get me a pedicure. I need it so bad. I'm about to go to the nail shop and get me a pedicure. It is raining out here and it's cold. Feels like we're in Forks from Twilight. Let's go to the nail shop because the rain is starting to come down a lot more now. Oh God. All right, let's go. Okay, y'all, what's up? Just finished my pedicure. So needed. What the hell's going on? It is raining and it's cold, y'all. Raining and cold. On my way back home, we're supposed to be heading out, but I don't know. We'll see. We might change our plans depending on how we feel. Because I honestly want to go to the movies. We haven't been to the movies in a while, you guys. But yeah. I am like literally freezing. My nails still look so good, y'all. They still look so pretty. What is up, y'all? I'm home and Zach was like, do you want to bake cookies? So we're about to bake cookies. Graham, what you doing? We have a little bit of these left. And then I'm gonna make these, yeah. What's up, man? Pizza boxes everywhere. I don't know about y'all, but I'm spraying my pan. We had to cut it because it was hard to open. Alright, so we're just gonna have those for now. You wanna try some cookie dough?
No. Eat it. I wanna see you eat it.
Why you wanna see me eat it?
Just so I can see it's possible.
Tastes like cookie dough. This is literally what we put inside of ice cream. Struggling to close this, so whatever. Yeah, I'm talking about the little cookie dough thing. Checking on the cookies. Ooh, they look good. Bomb. Huh, babe?
Every step of the way, amen.
Or they are, based upon the profession of your faith in Jesus Christ. I baptize you in the name of the Father.
They are designed for movement. And it is always sad when you meander when you ought to be moving. Somebody missed that. Let me try that one more time. I say it's a sad state to be in when you are meandering when you ought to be moving. God did not design you to just be hanging out with no agenda, no goals, no initiative, nothing in your future. You ought to always be headed somewhere. Do I have any witnesses in this house that can say, I got dreams, I got goals, I have an initiative, I've got drive, and I ain't got time to just sit around and hang around. I'm going somewhere. Shout, Jesus, Son of David, have mercy.
A little Sunday dinner. Love some gumbo. Hey vlog. So we would have been in the parade this Sunday, but we are not because it got pushed back due to weather. And they probably already told y'all that though. But we'll be riding in the parade Mardi Gras Day. And I have Mom right here. And we have Nay
eating this good old gumbo.
Hi, Nay.
Eating this good old gumbo. Eating this good old gumbo.
Gotta say it 3 times. Hey, y'all.
Hey, y'all.
It is. You see how Zach wants to say hey to y'all? That's just rude. It is
Why people loving their breaks right now.
It's Monday evening. Work day is done for me. Zach can go to work, so and it's Uncle Will's birthday. It's Uncle Will's birthday, and so we are. Oh, that's a lot better. We are on our way to Texas Roadhouse. We're literally gonna order. Zach said fried pickles. I like fried pickles because we already ate dinner. We had some whole grain spaghetti with some 99.
Basically chicken.
It was 99. It was 99% what?
99% lean, 1% fat, something like that.
Oh my God, y'all! I had something in my teeth the whole time I've been talking to y'all. We're back. You said 99% lean and 1% fat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he didn't really enjoy the spaghetti, but I did because that's what I need in my life.
I broke my favorite bracelet.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, he has a bracelet that a little kid made him on his route with our names, and he's sad about it because he did break it. But yeah, y'all, what you gonna get?
Something spicy, something with tahini on it. Probably
Oh my
beer.
God. Oh my, what's up with y'all? Like, when y'all drink your beer, you like to lick red candy. That don't make sense to me. I don't drink beer. Happy birthday, Uncle Will, if you're watching this.
Happy birthday.
And yeah, time to see the fam. Hey, Cam. Hey, y'all. Happy birthday, Uncle Will. My little camera. My camera.
It's like a little robot. Hi.
So that's why I'm surprised when they said they couldn't do that.
Wait, out. No, y'all go down so I can dance.
Okay, everybody going out. Cheers, yes. Woo! Precious is dumb.
Pull back.
Yeah. We know how to do it.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Period.
What's your name? Will. And how old are you, Tommy? 37.
Attention, Texas Roadhouse! Tonight? I'm gonna give from Will. He's 37. Can you hear an applause, please? When I say happy, you say birthday. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Stop what you're doing. Stop it! Stop what you're doing. Give you a lot of surprises for house. You have to count 3. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
So y'all
Back
look.
up.
So y'all look. I got this little dot right here on my face because I keep on picking at scabs, and I need to stop doing that. And I know, like, in the beauty supply, the beauty supply store, they got something that can probably help with this, but I know it's probably expensive, so I'm not even gonna look.
That's why I can see you good.
Oh.
Good job. Yeah, like vlog like that.
I'm the best vlogger of all time, believe that.
All right, you guys.
There's no question
We're home, and we're about to continue watching Trial by Fire. This movie right here.
I don't understand why you won't come visit me.
But
I want to try.
okay, I know I look crazy, but it's hair washing day. Let's go. Y'all wouldn't even believe how excited I am for real. Like, oh my gosh, and my hair look crazy. Ooh, I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Ooh, where am I supposed to go? Oh, 200s is this way.
Brady.
B?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
To the left.
Okay.
All the way at the end.
Okay, thank you. Oh my god, I look like I cut my hair. I'm getting a protein treatment. Can y'all believe this isn't me? Oh my gosh! This is my hair. Oh my gosh, I have never felt so confident in my hair. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just in awe. Like, this is me, my little edges. She cut it so it can look thick. I got me some layers going on, you guys. B, if you're watching this, I love you. We are besties now. Ah! Oh my God. Okay, y'all, I'm in Target. I just can't believe my hair is really doing this. But I'm coming to get like a brush and a rat tail comb, so that way I can wrap my hair at night. But do Target even sell rat tail combs? They probably don't. My God in heaven, so much more expensive here. Like this is $4. I could have got this for $1 at the Hesto, but I'm not gonna drive all the way down there. No. So guess what? I gotta pay for the convenience, unfortunately. Yeah, I gotta pay for convenience. I absolutely adore my hair, by the way. Like, y'all, I love my hair. I can't believe it's mine. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this is mine. But the girl that was doing my hair, them hands are anointed. My God. Need a little selfie. I'm just recording and not talking to y'all. Woo! Excuse me. Okay, so now that this is my new life, stiff wear, I gotta wrap my hair, y'all. I know how to wrap my hair. I just haven't wrapped it in so long, in so many years. Let me put this down. I just haven't wrapped it in so many years, and so I'm just like, okay, y'all. I wrapped my hair the best way I knew how, but I put my scarf underneath, and I'm just putting my bonnet on top. So yeah, time for bed. Hey guys, what's up, man? It's currently Thursday evening, and that's the end of this vlog because tomorrow we start a new one. But yeah, I just want to thank y'all for watching this short video. My weekend was canceled, and so we're gonna try again this coming weekend. We had to reschedule some things, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share my channel with all your family and friends, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. Love you guys. Say bye, girl. Say bye-bye.